Quick video. These are control arms for a X8 Cressida, and as you can see, my ball joints are shot. And if I'm not mistaken, I bought these for a 98 4Runner. Just quick replacements. I'm gonna go. You got to get these pressed out, so I'm gonna go get them pressed and get this pressed in, and then I'll go from there. About as far as installing them on there, I've heard that you have to kind of Dremel out the hole a little bit on here, but I put it in there to test it earlier and it fit right in. To do all this, you do have to take your axles out, because there's a little tool. I'll show you the tool. The tool is this right here, and it's pretty simple. You slide it under there, put this underneath the bolt part, and then use an impact, and it presses it apart, and that's how you get it out. But yeah, you kind of need the axle out of the way and stuff like that. It makes it a lot easier. But I'm gonna go get these pressed in, and then we'll go from there. Back to the control arms. I have to film with my phone, but we got the old one pressed out, and these are this part number right here. Oh shit. K90255. So what's wrong with this? This is a 98 4Runner front upper ball joint. Is that it's a little bit too small. See, it doesn't have the girth as the old one to press in. It just kind of falls in. But my solution is I'm gonna grind this off, and then we're gonna weld it, because it ain't gonna go nowhere. I mean, what's the worst you gotta do when you gotta replace it again? You just gotta grind your welds off, right? So that's gonna be the solution for now. We're gonna try that. So make sure you get it all nice and grounded. You don't have any paint. That way you can do a nice smooth weld and go from there. Put the snap ring plier in there, or the snap ring. And believe it or not, with the snap ring in there, look.
It's not going to come out that way either.
Yeah, I mean, but it's holding it, but we're still going to weld this because, I mean, it's your life.
Because the snap ring is going to fail with that much weight on it.
But we're going to weld it. But the snap ring does help hold it in place better. Tiggy, tiggy. Tiggy, tiggy. There it is, all TIG welded up. Just a couple passes. You ain't gotta weld it all the way around. Just there, there, there. Hold it in. The snap ring will help it a little, but not completely. But I recommend maybe not getting these. Get one with the grease zerk, where you can add grease to it, because the grease does burn. And now I get to have fun trying to put grease in there, and this is a brand new thing. So, but yeah, all done. It ain't going nowhere. It's gonna work. Alright, this is after the ball joint's been welded. As you can see, all installed. The only thing I gotta replace is some arm bushings down here. That's why it still's got a little bit of play, but it ain't nothing what it was. But that's how you get around a $500 fix. Right there. It's in, paint it, ain't going nowhere. Alright.